In this guide, I'm going to explain what a Figma file is and show you exactly how to open one, even if you're new to the software. A Figma file is simply a digital design document created inside Figma. Designers use it to build apps, websites, logos, prototypes, and pretty much any visual layout you can imagine. Think of it like a Photoshop file or a sketch file, but the big difference is that a Figma file is made to work online, so you can collaborate with your team instantly. Multiple people can work inside the same file at the same time, and every change is saved automatically right in the cloud. That's why Figma is so popular. It's fast, flexible, and easy to use even if you're just starting out. Now, if someone sends you a Figma file or you download one from the internet, you might wonder how to open it. The first thing you'll need is the Figma desktop app. To get it, go to figma.com/downloads. Select your operating system, download the installer, and open the file once it finishes downloading. The setup is quick, and Figma will guide you through logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a minute. After you've logged in, the desktop app will open and you'll be ready to work with Figma files. There are two types of files you might encounter. The first is a cloud-based Figma file, which is stored online. These usually come as links. When you click a link to a Figma design, it will open either in your browser or directly in the desktop app if you've set that as your default. The second type is a .fig file, which is a physical file you download to your computer. To open a .fig file, all you need to do is drag it into your Figma workspace, or open the desktop app and use the file import option. Figma will upload the file to your account and convert it into a project you can edit and share. Once the file is open, you can click around on the frames, interact with prototypes, inspect layers, and explore how everything was built. If the file includes animations or clickable flows, you can preview them using the play button in the top right corner. This is a great way to study other people's designs or learn new techniques by exploring the structure of their work. So to recap the idea in simple terms, a Figma file is a digital design document that stores your layouts, components, prototypes, and visual elements in a single editable space. You can open one by either clicking a shared link or importing a .fig file into the Figma app. You just need to download Figma, log in, and you're good to go. Once you understand what a Figma file is and how to open it, exploring and editing designs becomes quick and intuitive.